are now at the end of a few days' rest. A kilometer behind the lines. It has been a fine day, following on a day's rain, so that the earth smells like spring. Close by, a quick firer is pounding away its allowance of a dozen shells a day. It is like a cow coughing. Eastward there begins a sound like a motorcycle race. Thousands of motorcycles tearing round and round a track. It is really a pair of machine guns firing. And now one sound awakens another. Listen, 1,000 whips are cracking, whipping the horses around the ring. At last, the fun of the circus is begun. For the motorcycle team race has started off again. And the whips are cracking. And the cows in the cattle show start coughing, coughing. And the firework display is at its best. And the circus specials come one after another, bearing the merrymakers back to town. It can't last long. Yes, it is diminishing. The train service is cancelled. The cows have stopped coughing. And the cycle race is done. What you have seen is the foam and froth of war. But underground is labor and throbbing and long watch, which will one day bear their fruit. They will set the circus on fire. Then, what pandemonium!